This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So in this video, I want to talk about where you can find different splash screens for your PortaPack PortaPack H4M and H2, and these screens work on both. So over here you can see different screens. These are really cool screens, splash screens. So you can download whichever you like, and you can just download like this. And I have already downloaded this one. I like this Batman splash screen. So all you have to do is you have to plug your PortaPack. First you have to turn on your PortaPack, and then you can plug it with the cable and connect it with your system. And then you have to go in utilities. Over here you will see SD card over USB. So let's just click it and let's just run. And over here you can see it's showing SD card in USB. And all we have to do is we just have to copy paste our splash screen. So let me just do it. And let's just eject. And over here you can see the splash screen. So this is how you can update splash screen on your PortaPack. Thank you.